Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube gift and Jewel live feature. In 2026, gift and jewels is a live monetization feature on YouTube that allows viewers to buy digital currency known as jewels to send animated gift during live streams. These gifts appear as a colorful 3D overlays directly on top of the video, creating an interactive experience that helps creator earn rupees, valued at $0.01 per rupee. Now, to buy and send a gift, you have to find a live stream, vertical or horizontal, with the gift icon. Looks like a gem or gift box below the video or in the chat area. Now once you find it, go ahead and select an animation, and once selected, it will instantly overlay on the stream for the creator and audience to see. Now, first of all, if you don't have jewels, you will be prompted to buy a bundle. Bundle typically range in price and you can spend up to 500 per day, but there are also cheaper options which you can choose from. And once you do so for a limited time in 2026, buying a gift may trigger a temporary ad-free window for you, so you don't miss the creator's reaction. And for creators, all you have to do is go ahead and open your YouTube Studio application, or go ahead and open your YouTube Studio in your browser. However, I'm doing this in my mobile phone. You should go ahead and open it on your computer and head to the Go to Earn, then head to Earn tab and click on Supers and Gift. Now click Get Started to sign in the virtual items module. Once accepted, the toggle for gift will turn on blue and automatically enabling them for all your live stream, and it should be available to your viewers, and viewers should be able to send and buy gift for your streams. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your content creation journey, and if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.